Hello, welcome back to my YouTube page. Today I'm going to do a video on how to make friends when you're homeschooled. Number 1, go to summer camp. You can easily, your parents can easily sign you up for summer camp. They're usually very affordable and should be within appropriate distance of your area. And when you go to summer camp, you of course are introduced to many kids. And then when you see a kid that maybe you'd like, that maybe you would want to be friends with, you could ask for that kid's parents' phone number, and you can maybe hang out with maybe when you're not at camp. Okay, here's the second way. Okay, what you can do is you can go to the park, like a playground with like swings and seesaws. What you can do is you can of course just ask a bunch of kids, do you want to play with me, and then like they can play with you. They can like play games, they could play on like the swings or the seesaw, and then you could say, do you want to be friends? And that child might agree, and if he or she does, then you can be friends with them. Like, definitely ask for their parents' phone number, and you guys can hang out. Okay, here's the next method. Have your parents go around the neighborhood and find couples that have children, and then you can say, oh, my kid wants a friend, maybe one of your kids could be my kid's friend, and then have your kid like go with them to meet that potentially new friend, and then that's another method of making a new friend. Here's another way. Here's the next way. What you can do, attend some kind of what would generally be an after-school activity. Like, there might be a building in your vicinity that might offer like a class for your children to enter, like maybe a gymnastics class or a choir or something like that. That is a perfect way to potentially meet new friends, and I cannot stress that enough. If you are a lonely child and if you want to make friends, you should definitely try to attend some kind of after-school activity.